In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a US dollar account. If you're outside of the US, working internationally and receiving payments from clients in dollars, or maybe you're an expat abroad needing to send dollars back to your own country, then you might want to hold dollars and have access to your own US dollar account and bank details. But instead of having to open different accounts in different countries, I'll show you how you can open these in a couple of quick and easy methods. And this doesn't just work for US dollar accounts, it can also work for creating bank details for the likes of Great British Pounds and Euros too. And I have full tutorials for these platforms available too, and I'll pop links in the summary below if you're interested in finding out more. With Transferwise, you can send, receive and spend money internationally and at pretty low rates too. And you can create 5 foreign currency accounts with local bank details for the likes of US dollars, Euros, Australian dollars and GBP. To create an account, you'll need to log into your Transferwise account. Then you head over to Balances on the left-hand side here. Then you go to Open a Balance. And from the drop-down here, you can then select Balances with local bank details. So from here, you'll want to select US dollars. Then click on to open your US dollar balance. So as you can see, that's taken me a matter of seconds to do it. I'm going to click on to Got It. And if I click onto the drop down here, click on to Get Bank Details. It'll then provide me with all of the information for my account. So that includes my account number, wire transfer numbers, routing numbers and address for my US bank account. So as you can see, that's a really easy process to do. So let's just take a look at another option. Revolut is a banking app where you can manage your money and track your expenses from your mobile. Revolut is a great digital bank and travel companion, and you can exchange at the real market rate and commission free too. With Revolut, again, you can create a US dollar account. And to do so, you just need to head over to your app, go to your dashboard in the bottom right hand corner. Then under the accounts section, if you click on to Show More, then click on to Add Account. You'll then want to search for a US dollar account. And your account will then instantly be created, showing you your IBAN and your BIC code too. Now, one thing to be aware of in relation to Revolut and Transferwise in the UK is that they're not actually covered by FCSC and your funds are only safeguarded. So just be aware of the different regulations available in your country before storing money on these platforms. You can also open foreign currency accounts in high street banks. However, you will find that the fees and charges will be higher. And if you're just looking to hold on to dollars, there is a way with holding them through a USD stablecoin, and I'll create a separate video around that. So that was just a couple of different options that you can use to create a US dollar account. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.